Hey, my prepper posse. I'm not sure if we're gonna get rain. It is Sunday. Woohoo! So I gotta hurry, but I did want to show you what I got finished. Okay, so hang tight. Ta-da! Yep, I got the doors hung today. Woohoo! I got a box in front of them right now holding them closed. And of course I don't have the hardware on, like the locks and all that good stuff. However, I think they turned out really good. My daughter did half of the wall today just so I could get the doors up. And we'll finish that later. That's cherry stain. I love that stuff. It just really is beautiful. You can see the difference. But anyway, they're up, and I did leave enough space on purpose so that when the max fan is on back here in the bathroom, you'll still get airflow, which is what I wanted as well. I don't want it closed off where that fan isn't pulling air from the bus, especially when you're doing the number 2. But anyway, I'm happy with them. Turned out real nice. And they're with piano hinges. And they're also on, you can't tell, but there's an extra block of wood here. Goes down to about there. So I didn't run wood all the way for DWD cheap stuff. I just ran it in the sections that needed to hold the doors up. So next phase, obviously is they open up nicely and they don't swing all the way open. So when I get the cook stove right here, the wood stove, they won't even come near it. They don't open all the way into that area, which is nice. But I'm happy with them. I'm going to have to go move on and start covering things if we're going to start getting rain. You never know around here. Florida's crazy like that. But I'm happy with them. They look good. And I'll show you the next step. Alright. I hope everybody's having a great Sunday. We'll see you all soon. And thanks for watching and commenting. Just as a side note, I really love commenting with all of you. You have great ideas. I have a lot of fun in the comment section. Thank you so much. See you.